That woman, whether they call Binta Nyako, they say the woman don't reject Mazi Nnamdi Kanu bail application. Oh, now be say he don't deny him. Say he no go leave Mazi Nnamdi Kanu main going way. Things are happening. That Federal High Court for Abuja, not be the same court wey rule to acquit and free Mazi Nnamdi Kanu. Now the same court they deny him bail again. Things are happening. Nigeria can never stop surprising me. Since I was born, na only so surprised. Nigeria, they surprise me. Now, wow, how did we get ourselves into this? But however, let's proceed. Mazi Nnamdi Kanu must be released. And if we people refuse to release Mazi Nnamdi Kanu, then get ready for what will happen, because there's no way you will not release Mazi Nnamdi Kanu. There's no way. The information where we get to do of waiting they happen for Borno, for other part of the north. The government are not using this force for that side though. And now also they are swallow the military alcohol for that place. The military. If you see what they do them for inside that place. Don't worry, we are going to update you of what is happening regarding that part. But as this one they happen, they say that one Biafra army activist so don't come outside, come talk one thing. He say this thing where they happen. Say the day where this rain go start. He say go fall everybody. I go play the video may you watch. But however, let's go and watch this particular video. But before we go inside, welcome back to Barnabas Gist. If today is the first time they come across this wonderful channel, you are highly welcome. We see they here, they bring updates back to back as they hot. Let's quickly jump into the matter of what carriers come here today. Oh, I beg, may you share this video as many as you can. They say that the Federal High Court of Abuja sitting today, be 19th, that Mazi Nnamdi Kanu bail application, that the lawyer immediately shortly they entered inside the courtroom. When the court started, they now moved the bail application for them to hear and also release Mazi Nnamdi Kanu. But the Justice Binta Nyako rejected that application and demand for the further hearing of Nnamdi Kanu's case. But however, let's watch the videos of the arrival of Mazi Nnamdi Kanu in the court, and before we come back and proceed.
It should be on this side. Yeah, feeling is there. Go to this side. It's better.
Telling you, cotton is it?
Go to I don't.
to see you.
Good to see you too.
We are still on your same outfit.
Yes.
What's the problem? Why?
They didn't give me any outfit.
They didn't give any outfit. You don't do that.
If Mazi Nnamdi Kanu is not giving Nigeria government a sleepless night, they will not hold Mazi Nnamdi Kanu there. Because Mazi Nnamdi Kanu is a lion himself. They know the reason why they are still holding Mazi Nnamdi Kanu. But I want to shock you. The coming out of Mazi Nnamdi Kanu will be like a surprise, even to themselves that hold him. Let me tell you, everything in this life have time. When the time comes, it happen. Since the arrest of Mazi Nnamdi Kanu, Nigeria have never been even better for once, rather be worse. Worse and worse. Everything happening left. Nothing have ever gone right. And they refuse to advise themselves. I want to use this opportunity to tell the Igbos, both those ones who are denying they are not Igbos in Nigeria military. When they send you to come to East, to come to any part of the East or any part of Igbo speaking state, there is problem there, you see your chest going up, singing. Yes, we are in St. Patrick Church right now. Here we are fighting. You are fighting your brothers. But those who they know where they are in the north, nobody is fighting them. And your chest is going up. You are fighting your brother. Things are happening. I don't know when most of you people will get sense. They will send you to East to go and fight, go and finish them, and you come back shouting one Nigeria. One Nigeria, one Nigeria, one Nigeria, you come back shouting one Nigeria. But when something happen in the north, they won't send their troops, they won't send their own people to go. Even though they send you people to go, they will ambush you people. Because their brothers in the same army have told them your location and where you are and where you are. They will ambush you people. But in the East, you come freely and start destroying the homes that belong to your own people. What is the offense of Mazi Nnamdi Kanu? He asks for the better life of Ndi Igbo, Biafrans, the whole Nigerians, Africa. This is the offense of Mazi Nnamdi Kanu. There's no other thing that Mazi Nnamdi Kanu done that say, hey, we don't want this marginalization, it's too much, or we don't need it, or we need a better life. We want our own home to be more beautiful than London, more beautiful than Dubai, more beautiful than Europe, more beautiful than America. This is the offense. And he won't follow black man, hold him. You want to destroy our sovereignty. You want to destroy. Which sovereignty are you people talking about? For your kuro eyes, they carry wetin belong to you. Say, let's give your P2B chance. Let's give P2B. Give them another person. For your own front. You think that Nigeria will ever be good again? You are dreaming. Not that we are wishing things will go more worse, but I'm telling you that you are dreaming. Big one. Mazi Nnamdi Kanu, release Mazi Nnamdi Kanu and open a round table for discussion. This thing you people are looking for, when you will provoke the citizens, you cannot stand the heat. You can't stand the heat. I'm seeing Nigeria Chief of Army Staff saying that the Nigeria are supporting them. We are coming to that video later. Nigeria supported them in what happened in Delta State, and that gives them more morale. Do you think so? Nigeria never supported you people. It's the Funanis that supported you people, so that they will have chance to enter that region. Because anywhere that army go and operate and go, the next people we see there that will take over is Funanis. So be mindful of what you're listening and be mindful of the advice you got. My people, please share this video and leave a prayer for Mazi Nnamdi Kanu. This prayer will go like this. Any hand that hold Mazi Nnamdi Kanu, that hand will catch fire. Mazi Nnamdi Kanu will be released. If they refuse to release Mazi Nnamdi Kanu, let things begin to go more worse in that zoo called Nigeria. This is your prayer you make, and share this video.